Hello, YouTube friends. Well, here's a kind of unexpected unboxing. I wasn't really planning to get one of these now, but I enjoyed my my Longchamp Pliage backpack so much on my trip that when I got home, I wanted to order a large black tote by them with the shoulder straps, and instead of just the tiny handheld thing. And they were actually kind of hard to find. They had them, of course, on the Longchamp site. And then I found it for like a little bit less at Nordstrom, but it still wasn't like a great deal. I think it was still like $150 or something. So I didn't get the great deal like the Nordstrom rack had. I just got regular old Nordstrom. So I'm going to unbox this, hopefully. I'm going to get this open. Hold on. Let me get the scissors. Usually I do this ahead of time, but it was just put on my doorstep, so I got to unbox it with you guys. All right, there we go. Ooh, very thrilling. See? So this is the Longchamp Pliage large shoulder tote. So it has the shoulder straps, and I wanted the original because I think I want to say the Longchamp site had the black on black, but I just wanted the classic. I really like the brown with the black. I think it's just really nice looking. So let's see how this looks unboxed. It's got a little Longchamp tag here. Cute. And yay, this is the kind that, well, this is large. It looks so tiny. Why is it so small looking? It's kind of like the, it's funny, it's kind of like the backpack was. It just looked so small. But this is the large, apparently. Huh. Doesn't say, what does it say on here? Nothing, it just made from recycled polyamide. So that must be the fabric part. This is so just smallish. I don't know. Let me see the dimensions. Let's look at this. I'm glad I got the large, if this is the large. Okay, so it is, oh, yeah, this is the large. 18 at the widest, and about 17.5 at the base, and 11 inches high. I don't know, I guess I'm just used to the giant fabric Coach totes that I get. So it's got the little Longchamp symbol here, and you've got the pretty suede inside there, and then they always tuck in the medallion, which is a good idea. But you've got the really pretty little Longchamp logo there. Excuse my hand, I have burned myself yet again on my curling iron. I never learn. And then this one, oh, it does pop open nice and wide. So it's got the pocket in the back and a little hidden pocket in the front, and that's where the little Longchamp care package is. Now this one is a lot smaller of a little pocket in the front than the backpack has. So just to let you know, if you're looking for more organization, the backpack might be for you. And then it's got the little, of course, snap on the back so you can fold it up and store it. I like this though. This is great. I think I will get a lot of use out of it. And let me measure the strap drop. Apparently back in like 2011 they changed the strap drop height. So it's about 9. And I think it used to be an inch longer. I think it used to be 10, which would have been really nice, especially in jacket weather. But I think this will be fine. I can even make do with like 8.5, but I really like that this one has the tall shoulder straps. So I can just carry it around, basic black, and I'll come back after I've used it for work and unpack it with you guys and show you what actually fits inside of here. But it is, I guess it is pretty darn big, isn't it? So anyhow, love these bags, light as a feather, highly recommend them. Now I see what the hype is about. It took me many years to even look at them because they just look so boring to me. It wasn't attractive to me at all, but now that I see they're water resistant, perfect for travel. I think this is it for me. I don't think I need any more, but I really like them. All right, hopefully I'll come back and add to this video after I've used it and we can unpack together. Okay, so here is the review part of the video. Let's see if I can get in here without getting all the blankets in there. So now that I have taken my Longchamp Pliage to work with me, I can give you guys a review on it. And so I'll put this at the end of the unboxing video, but I love the straps. They really worked out nicely. They did not slide off my shoulder. They were the perfect length. And I had on a sweater and a jacket and a very slippery jacket, and it didn't matter. It was fine. And so I just had this packed up with everything I needed for my day, and it was very easy to carry. It was lightweight. I really liked it. So let's see how much stuff I put in here. Not a lot. I didn't take a lot with me today. So let's see. In the back here, I just have my mouse, and then I have my work badge on a Coach lanyard. This is really cute. I like the colors on it. Kind of a burgundy with a peach. Let's see, did I put anything in here? No, I just left, in this one, I just left the regular Longchamp tags. I have my laptop in here, and this is a I think this is the 13.5-inch laptop, and it fits just fine. I mean, it really, there was no maneuvering to get it in here. It's absolutely fine. So it was plenty big. The one thing that was kind of weird is that, you know, the bottom of it tapers down, so it kind of bulged out funny, so I had to kind of set it backwards. And then here I have my uneaten lunch because I ended up going out to lunch, and you know, if you've got an opportunity to go out to lunch with a friend, it's always better than eating your frozen dinner, your frozen lunch. See, what do I have here? I better get this in the freezer again. This is my chicken burrito bowl from Real Good. Have not had this yet, but I'm gluten-free, and this is gluten-free, dairy-free, and grain-free. So I'll probably eat this for dinner. And let's see what else I have in here. My laptop. I have my little vitamin carrier and just some little emergency wipes and glasses cleaner, and that's it. So it's just a big black hole, but it was really, really super easy to get everything in there that I needed for a day at work, and it was really comfortable. I knew it was going to be comfortable because I like the backpack so much. That's equally comfortable. I kind of think the backpack is strangely more comfortable with the laptop in it than the tote with the laptop, and I don't know why. I really like my backpack. But this tote is beautiful. I like the looks of the tote better. A bit more classic, elegant. So anyhow, my review on this is that it was durable, it held up great, it was very easy to take with me to work and back, and it held everything that I needed, and it would have held a lot more too. So this kind of smallish, large size is plenty big. Okay, I hope you liked these videos, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Until next time.